Hello everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is Friday. It's about 5:40 in the morning. So excuse how I look, but I'm getting ready to go to the gym to work out. And I almost felt compelled to do a video on headaches today. So I want to kind of just jump right in. I know that a lot of people are afflicted with headaches even on a daily basis. And that's so sad to me. It breaks my heart because I know what it's like to have headaches. I had headaches really bad when I was like 15, 16, and I never could get any resolve from that. I didn't know why I had them, how I could get rid of them, and how I was creating those headaches. But now, ever since I've been on this health journey and vegan journey for almost 7 years now, and it's been just such a beautiful journey, and I'm so blessed to have stumbled upon what I really think it can be the fountain of youth, and can be just how you can have such a beautiful and highly fulfilled quality of life. So I have learned a lot about headaches from Dr. Robert Morse, who's a naturopathic doctor who I talk about all the time and who I'm sure you guys know about. And I am actually on my journey of being a naturopathic doctor. I'm studying to be one right now, and it's it's another huge blessing that I will be able to have all of that knowledge under my belt, so I can help myself, my loved ones, and my family, and possibly even clients someday. And so I'm just so blessed, and I really thank Dr. Morse because he's the one that inspired me, and he taught me about so many different things, and one of them was headaches. So he talks about how headaches are really related to the gut, and I really agree. I think that your gut is the hub of the machine. It's the hub of your system. And everything, it's like the trunk of the tree. Everything branches off in your body from your GI tract. And if you don't have healthy gut flora and just healthy lymphatic system in your GI tract, then you're going to have problems, and headaches are one of them. So you have to think about what you're eating primarily. And I know that's so basic, and you guys knew I was going to say that, but it really is true. You are what you eat, and particularly with headaches and obviously things that are directly dependent on what you eat. Like if you have stomach cramping, or, God forbid, the C word, cancer in the colon area, you have to think about what you're eating, because it does matter. It's everything. If you want to feel good and vibrant and uplifted, then you have to eat healthy. And I really love raw living plant foods. And if you want to kind of feel bogged down and have stomach cramps and constipation and headaches, because they really do stem from the gut, then you can go more on a unhealthy diet, and that's okay, because everyone is on a different journey. For almost 20 years of my life, I ate the standard American diet, and it showed. I was overweight, I had horrible cystic acne, I had headaches, and all of these things, and I know that I did not live my life up to its fullest potential in those first 20 years of my life. But I'm so blessed that I've had 6, almost 7 years of eating raw vegan. Now I'm about 90% raw. I enjoy like a sweet potato at night, and I've done a video about that recently. But I love plant foods, and I always will. I love the leafy greens and the fruits and vegetables, and if you eat those foods for every single meal on a daily basis, it just becomes your lifestyle, and you're really not going to have headaches. You're not going to have stomach issues and cramping, and you'll have a whole lot less, if no, pain in your body, because once you have your alkalinity balanced and you're just eating healthy foods, you're hydrated, you're water rich, and you're flexible, and your pain goes away. You can exercise and dance and do all these things that you really couldn't before. At least I couldn't before. I never played sports growing up, and I really think it's because I didn't have the energy to. I was too focused on my next meal, and was I going to eat pizza tonight, or I didn't have any of this vibrant electrical force, life force that I have now, and I really love it. So if you are suffering from, this video is about headaches, but it could be anything, I would just encourage you to eat more raw living foods today than you did yesterday. And I understand that it's baby steps for people, and you cannot force anybody into this lifestyle. If someone is loving the diet that they're eating and it's treating them well, then you have to let them be, and you have to just lead by example, I guess, and be the light that you want to be. And I know for me personally, when I eat raw living foods and plant foods, fruits and vegetables, green powders, tons of water, I've really loved lemon water lately, I feel my best. And that is very important for me to feel my best so I can serve more people, so I can have more energy to serve and do a better job at things and have all of these things in my personal life that are uplifted and fulfilled, and it's very important for me. So if you have headaches, you need to ask yourself what you're eating, also what thoughts you're thinking, because sometimes our negative thoughts can just create this stress in our life that can give us headaches. And you might be saying that you have headaches due to allergies, and allergies is a whole other video, but I really think that allergies directly correlate with the health of your lymphatic system. And when you have stored up toxins in your lymph system and it's just sluggish and coagulated and not really flowing correctly out of your kidneys, then I think that can cause a lot of allergies, which can cause headaches. So it's all just a roundabout circle, and there's many spokes to the wheel. But once you care for your GI tract and your lymph system and your adrenals and your kidneys and your liver and all of these organs, which you can as a whole when you eat raw living plant foods, then you're just uplifted and you're healthy and you're vibrant. And that is my goal every day. I think it will always be my goal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Click like and subscribe. Go to my website, victoriarawvegan.com. I do iridology analyses. I have 3 books out and just a lot of cool things. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!